What's up, guys? We're back. You guys have probably already seen a million of these before, but I thought it was kind of funny how I reacted to it. So we're gonna go out and pretty much test out the DJI FPV system for the very first time. I'm an analog pilot, never tried it before, so we'll just get into that. You guys enjoy, and there you go.
See the battery voltage there?
Yeah, it says 15.
15?
Oh, the goggles are at 15.
Yeah, it's the other one on the left. You see it?
Yeah, 16.6.
You see my RSSI too?
Yeah. Oh, wow.
This is crazy. Totally behind us. And there's hella shit in between.
Oh my god.
There's cars across the street. Oh, there's security.
He's going for it.
He's going into the big one.
Wow.
There's a guy parked right there.
Oh, he's doing. You got a firm.
Security did go into the big one.
I'm further away from you.
He's around the back.
Our size is like 50.
He's driving around the parking lot.
Try to hide it. Ducking and dodging security. Where is he?
Got his window open, so no video. Straight at him.
Trying to avoid him and go behind him.
Coming out. Oh, nice. He's going to the other side.
Dude, I'm over by the palm trees. Boo! We're gonna go behind this building. We're gonna go behind it. Holy crap, that's literally the most range I've ever gotten. Hi, guy. Oops, I just circled him. Wow.
Where are you?
Up.
Hmm?
Up. Just up.
Oh, I see
Oh, wow. Oh my god. I'm not like flying freestyle right now. I'm just cruising and this is freaking sick. I can see the ocean and all the little cities and all that, and I'm going around this building and it's like, woo! This is like no theatrics. I'm really freaking like tripping out. This is oh my god. Oh, I can see everything in this god dang freaking thing. Parking structure? I'm on top of it. Yeah, I'm over by the little thing. Wow. Wow. Go get below that concrete. I don't know what'll happen. I'm getting too cocky with this thing. Oh, it's getting a little, no, still good. Wow. Oh my god, I'm getting dizzy. Oh! I'm doing one of goes up, and I'm just looking, and I went up above the building. Oh my god! Whoa. 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 Wow, dude! Oh my god! Is the road clear?
There's a guy down there. I can find the road clear yet. Not now.
Now?
From what I can see,
Yep.
the car's coming.
We're good. Gotta look both ways before you cross. Can't cross a busy intersection. You don't want to fly off the car. Oh my god! I'm like, this battery's not dead yet. I'm going. I'm not good crazy. Wow! So this is what everybody's been saying not to get? What the hell is wrong with people? I'm definitely going to start saving pennies. Penny by penny, I don't give a shit. I was like, oh no, I don't have the disarm right. Dude, that was so cool.
And that's pretty much what my reaction was to that. It was pretty epic. I freaking was shocked by the resolution and everything. Like, as soon as I put the goggles on, it was a complete game changer. So anyways, thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, subscribe, do all the fun things. You guys have a good one, and we'll see you on the next one. Enjoy these outtakes.
What's up, guys? What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We have a little video for you guys today. It's not nothing crazy, but
You.
Just wanna be